Okay guys, let's talk about the 45 step. Remember, whenever we throw some sort of offense, we always have to make sure that we're setting up our defense, and ideally, we want to use our defense to set up our offense, so it's kind of circular. So in this case, we're going to use a 45-degree step to get the heck out of the way after we strike and set up our own strike. So we start from the MMA stance, and I throw some sort of offense, probably the 1, 2. Afterwards, again, I'm going to finish with some sort of defense here, but I might want to re-engage my opponent. I want to kind of stay in the pocket. So I'm going to take a slight step outside of his shoulder. So I step over here, and it puts me in a position where I can counter or maybe even shoot. Again, it's the 1, 2. Now I'm going to step an angle, and a little variation on this is where I frame here. And I can use my counter. 1, 2. Counter. 1, 2. A quick little slide here. Again, I'm using that defense to set up my offense. Here, and as I step the angle, by the way, I am already loaded for my strike. Notice that I'm not 1, 2. I'm not in position. I am loaded for my strike. This stuff happens in milliseconds. Let's hit another angle. Again, it's the 1, 2. I'm going to come off his shoulder. I might frame, counter, or 1, 2. Step that angle, get outside of his shoulder, counter. And that's the 45-degree step.